and we are getting to know that several people are feared that they have sustained injuries. 4 cars have in fact caught fire at the Lal Killa metro station gate number 1, and we are seeing that this major incident has in fact happened near Lal Killa, which is at the heart of central Delhi. Now we are seeing that several of the people are in fact being moved from there. We are seeing that the special cell is on their way to the location. We are seeing that 7 fire tenders have in fact reached the spot so that the situation could be controlled. But yes, we are seeing that we are seeing major incidents that has in fact taken place today. The Faridabad, ATS had in fact, taken into custody several of the people who were trying to operate a major, crime syndicate there. But now we are seeing that in the heart of national capital, that is at the Lal Killa, we are seeing that 4 cars have in fact caught fire. We are seeing the visuals also on the screen as to how massive the fire was. We are seeing the plumes of smoke that is in fact billowing there. We are also on our way to the Red Fort right now, where the incident has taken place. But yes, we are seeing that the police have in fact confirmed that many people have sustained injuries, and by the looks of it, we are seeing that the whole panic has in fact gripped the particular area where the incident has taken place. This has happened near the metro station gate number 1, where this incident has in fact taken place. Now we are seeing that the special cell team is in fact moving at the location so that they can gather more information as to what has happened, because this is a very sensitive issue that has in fact taken place in the heart of central Delhi, and we are seeing many people are also injured because of the fire incident that has in fact happened there, the blast that happened inside the car. More details are awaited here, but yes, we can confirm that 7 fire tenders have been moved. Many people are injured here, and the special cell team is right now on their way to the location. Over to you.
One of the points that Tehseen made, which is important, is whether we know at this moment, Anushka, if the explosion actually happened inside the car, because we've all been to that area quite frequently. It's very congested, and there are lots of eateries there as well, lots of these roadside stalls. Do we know at all whether the explosion happened in one of the stalls, or did it happen inside the car?
Well, Rahul, what we can confirm by now through our sources is that this whole incident has happened near metro station gate number 1. Now we do know that this is a very congested area, and this is, the peak hours where we can see a lot of traffic, a lot of footfall happening, where several of the people who are leaving from their offices go to their homes. But now, because this is a peak hour, there might be traffic congestion, and there might be traffic jam also that might have in fact that could be seen there at the Lal Killa, because it is around 7 a.m. and we do see that a lot of public are out and about, on their way to their home during this time. We do know that, the whole blast has in fact taken place, around the car, and we are seeing that in the visuals also that we are getting right now. We can see plumes of smoke that is in fact billowing, and outside we can see how people are seen in panic mode. Many of the people are feared injured here. 7 fire tenders had to be rushed to the site so that the situation could be controlled, and now we are seeing that the special cell team has been moved to the location so that all the information as to how did the blast actually occur and what all measures are right now currently put in place so that the injured people could be taken to the hospital. These are the crucial details which the police is in fact right now working on.